So Ankit, I mean, you're given your cat, and then there is really little time before. I mean, after the cat results are out, and then the interviews happen. So,
Yeah.
how did you start preparing for your AWT or WATs and PI?
I did not actually prepare as significantly as they considered to be. For me, it was very simple. I knew that being an engineer and being a fresher, the focus would be either on academics or the question that why do you want to do an MBA straight after engineering. So all that I had made my mind was, let's be clear with these two things and know yourself that what you are planning to say there is well justified. So I had backup, like I had made backup points to support my argument. And as far as AWT was considered, I gave a few mock PIs at Time Institute only. So before the PIs, they would have AWTs. So I gave around 4 mock PIs and I wrote 4 AWTs. That was it for AWTs for me. I did not say focus a lot on AWTs because I have been writing since around 5-6 years and I'm used to uh, like writing. I know like the topics in AWTs or the VATs are quite different, but then I'm used to forming a flow or you can say a flow of the sentences while writing. So I rather than speaking, I prefer writing. So I knew that AWT won't really make a huge difference, like practicing or not practicing. I was confident enough that I would be able to write on the spot. And as far as the PIs were there, I got my reviews from the PI boards that I took mocks with, and I understood like what's the way to go through. So I would just rehearse 2 or 3 sentences every time, like just roaming around. I would rehearse a couple of sentences, and that was the way it went for me. Other than that, I just read some current affairs. Uh, and this is true that ABC usually doesn't focus a lot on current affairs, and which I had confirmed from my seniors as well. So I did not focus much on that because my target colleges were those. But if you're targeting other colleges, then you should know like what is the most important factor that they focus on PIs. And for ABC, it was mostly ACADS, and for B, it was your SOP. So I had written my SOP very deep, like I had tried to write every detailed thing, every minute thing in a detailed manner. And I was thorough with every word that I had written in my SOP. And that's what happened. At B, they talked about everything written in my SOP. So that's the way your interviews would go. For B, it would be SOP based. For A, it might be slightly ACADS or something like that. But then what is most important is to know yourself. At the end, the whole interview revolves around how much do you know about yourself, and that's pretty much uh, that you can define your interview.
But I think, I mean, knowing the reason why you actually want to do MBA, and then introspecting about what are the choices that
Right.
you made in your life, why certain things you did the way you did, and all those things would make your personal interviews easy. So,
Yeah.
Ankit, you were in your final year of your undergraduation, and then you are parallelly preparing for CAT. So, was it difficult for you, or since it was the final year, since you might be having less subjects sometimes? So, how was it? Was it easy or difficult to balance both the things?
It wasn't really hard because I was interning at that moment of time. So my internship, like I worked with a startup, and the project I had was quite comfortable. Like I was comfortable with the project, so it didn't really affect me a lot because I could manage my time between them. But yeah, it gets stressful at times because you have to manage a couple of things. But then like when you are up going for any postgraduate exam, say CAT, GRE, GMAT, whatever you go for, you must be doing something simultaneously with it. So and management is like, as we speak of management exams, it's about time management. So that's your first step where you learn your time management. In the initial few months it was difficult, but then I made a schedule which I stick to. So once a schedule was made, it was possible to stick to the schedule and then focus on what's going on.